In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows Firewall to default settings in Windows 11 computers. The first way to reset Windows Firewall to default setting, click on Start menu. In search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Command prompt has been opened. Type net sh adv for advanced firewall reset. Now hit enter and command is executed successfully. The message is okay. Close command prompt. Now I'm going to show you the second way. Click on Start menu. Click on Search, type Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Right click on Windows Defender Firewall and click on Run as Administrator. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security has been opened. You will find an option here, Restore Default Policy. Click on Restore Default Policy. Click on Yes. The default policy was restored successfully. Click on OK. Close Windows Defender Firewall. Again, click on Search for third way. In Start menu, type Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Scroll down. Here you will find Restore Firewalls to Default. Click on Restore Firewall to Default. Another menu will open and here you will find a button Restore Default. Click on Restore Default and click on Yes. Close Windows Security. I have shown you all possible ways to reset Windows Firewall to default settings in Windows 11 computer.